High Voltage Capacitor. In this video, we will show you how to solder a high voltage capacitor onto the PCB. Using the instruction manual, identify the correct component that you need to solder. Carefully remove the component from the packaging. Identify the correct location on the PCB using the manual and the PCB markings to help. With this type of capacitor, the orientation is not important. Please note that this is not the case for all capacitors. Pull the capacitor through the board as far as it can go. Holding it in place, turn the board over and put a 45-degree bend in each leg to hold it in position. Be sure that the capacitor is straight on the PCB. Next, solder both of the capacitor legs to the solder pads on the board. Use the soldering video for more information if you need more help.